Are you ready to take your car to the next level? Rev up your ride with these 10 amazing car gadgets that will transform your driving experience. Discover sleek accessories that unleash your inner superhero and cutting-edge devices that supercharge your car's performance. Buckle up, guys, and get ready for a thrilling journey into the world of automotive innovation. Number 1. BAYU Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit. No more garage door worries. Embrace convenience with BAYU Auto and Outdoor Smart Car Kit. Want to control outdoor devices from your seat and stay safe on the road? Let's dive in. This particular package does not just offer one tool but a whole set along with a wireless car vacuum with numerous nozzles, a smartphone charger inflator pump, a high-powered car wash gun, or even portable lighting fixtures, which means you can clean, inflate, wash, and more with ease. Leave your worries behind. The kit is expertly crafted with exceptional materials that guarantee long-lasting durability. Secure your vehicle's future with this wise investment. Number 2. Iron Man Car Start Button Covers. Well, as we're talking about automobiles, what better place to begin than the push-to-start button? The engine start button cover adds a unique touch to your car's interior, giving it a stylish and distinctive look. It rotates 150 degrees to perfectly fit your car, providing an extra sense of ceremony every time you start your vehicle. This cover prevents scratches and damage to the start and stop button, safeguarding your car's interior and protecting your child from accidentally touching the engine button. Crafted from high-quality ABS material with a glossy finish, this cover is both durable and scratch-resistant. Its excellent surface treatment and delicate touch design make it a cool addition to your car. Designed to fit 99% of car models, this engine start button cover adds a touch of luxury and a dynamic fashion sense to your vehicle, giving it a refreshed look. Please ensure the button cover size matches your car before purchasing. No modifications or drilling required. Simply peel and stick the cover in place. It's an installation that won't damage your car. They all look and work great. Number 3. Bush Winch. No one around to help you when you're in trouble, but there's a way to get you out. Bush Winch Series 2 will easily fit your trunk and assist you with your self-comeback. What you need is to pick one of 3 options depending on your vehicle and to install all the parts in their places. As you see, it's a pair of wheel-mounted winches which attach to the front and back wheels, rope guides for winching at any angle, and a fiber-filled nylon rope. That's it. Now use your car's engine power to pull you out. The kit includes some other accessories in case you're too stuck or there's a tree nearby to use as an anchor point. The starting price for this kit is $450. However, I suppose it is well worth each penny. Number 4. X5 Car Charger. Experience a game-changing gadget for your car, the X5 Car Charge. Say goodbye to slow, outdated chargers. Charger as a consequence of a need, the X5 Charger was developed. Researchers became sick of families fighting over the power cord and thought it was time to create a way for all automobile occupants to charge their USB power devices simultaneously. Easy transmission of the charger to the back is made possible by Rapidex's X5 Car Charger, which includes a 5-foot cord. In addition, the model has 5 USB ports, works with iPhones and Android devices, and is available in 6 different color options, making it much simpler to charge whilst in the car from a location other than the front seat. Number 5. ANCOL CTIS. A system that allows you to adjust the tire pressure while driving. It's quite impressive because you can regulate the pressure for each individual wheel using a remote control. This system offers numerous advantages. Your tires will last 30% longer, and you'll save up to a 20% reduction in fuel consumption. Plus, it reduces the risk of aquaplaning and shortens braking distance. The system works for all kinds of vehicles from cars to mining machinery. With its patented connection, you can even pump air at speeds of up to 200 kilometers per hour. The system operates within a pressure range of 2 to 25 bar, and if it detects a flat tire, it automatically inflates. It's useful throughout the year, especially for off-road adventures in muddy and snowy conditions. Curious about the price? Fear not! It's available upon request. Number 6. Cargenta OBD. It can look just like a regular OBD scanner, but it has some cool features besides vehicle diagnostics. First, you can easily find your car in the parking lot. Now, you can keep track of a troute's location and speed as it moves. Want to know how your car is doing? The app will tell you just what's going on with the engine and how much gas it's using. It will also let you know if the car starts moving or moves too fast, which is important if your child often borrows your car. Don't forget to set up custom notifications in case of a car crash or car failure. Number 7. RUBOT Car Vacuum. Let's give the prestigious Oscar Award to Miss Accuracy, recognizing her incredible precision. As a token of appreciation, let's also surprise her with a robot car vacuum that will effortlessly tidy up all the mess. This compact device boasts a remarkable suction power that easily tackles any dirt or debris. With a fully charged battery, it can provide continuous cleaning for 20 minutes. Moreover, it includes a convenient nozzle designed specifically for those tricky corners and air vents that require a thorough and precise cleaning, like a powerful sandblaster. Number 8. Crownful Mini Fridge. Next, we have something for drivers who are always on the go. This 4-liter mini fridge can be powered directly from a 12-volt car charger, so crack open a cold soda or juice for some immediate on-the-road refreshment. There is room for up to 6 cans in the fridge, but it can also be used for additional purposes. Look at all that candy. On a road trip, we'll need to keep some treats cool for the kids. This fridge can do it. It doesn't just keep things cold, you can also set the fridge to keep items warm. By removing the internal trays, you can store larger items in the fridge, and its magnetic door is robust and stays firmly shut. It can take some time to get to 40 degrees Fahrenheit when it's full of room temperature items. Once it's done, this small fridge keeps everything nice and cool. Number 9. Star Projector Galaxy Lamp. Transform your car into a celestial sanctuary with the Star Projector Galaxy Lamp. Easily install this powerful device, choose your desired mode and color combination using the included remote, and even set a timer if needed. The magic doesn't stop there. You can also enjoy this enchanting experience at home. With a price of approximately $40, this extraordinary product brings the wonders of the universe right to your fingertips. Yep, it's that powerful. Number 10. A hook for your car seat headrest. Keep the inside of your car clean and organized by hanging grocery bags, purses, school bags, umbrellas, water bottles, and shopping bags from the headrest hook. You can also hang baby supplies and much more. The hook is easy to take down and reassemble thanks to its straightforward construction that eliminates the need to remove the headrest or use tools. With these hooks, you can keep your car neat and tidy. The set of 4 hooks allows you to hang various items in your car. Get ready to revolutionize your driving experience with these 10 incredible car gadgets. Say goodbye to the ordinary and embrace the extraordinary. From cutting-edge technology to innovative accessories, these game-changing gadgets will elevate your ride to new heights. If you think this video is valuable, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button. It really makes a huge difference. Thank you for watching.